I'm bored with my garden now. I don't know what else to plant. And even though if I plant, we don't really consume most of the vegetables. I just let them grow, like these salads here. We're not even paying attention on that. We're not really a salad person, but I grow it anyway, just for the sake of it, just in case we need it. But anyway, it's not so bad still, because we have the worms for it to eat. And so far, the progress of my garden, they look okay. And I've been cutting a lot of elderberry already and using it as a compost because they look really, really, really happy. I just let them be because I can use it for compost at least. And then I don't know what else to plant. We're not really good at the other vegetables, so my selections of vegetables are limited, although I do have a lot in my seed collection, but I didn't even bother planting them because we don't really eat it that much. I just enjoy collecting seeds for the sake of it. I plant it when I feel like it. So far, my pomegranate is really happy. There's a lot of flowers. And this one, this blood orange, is getting used to it now. So far. I don't know about later on when it gets really, really hot. Hey, one of the fruit fell off. But that's okay, there's still plenty anyway. Hi, nako, I don't know what to do. What else do I need to do? My God, it's getting boring now in the garden. I don't know what else to do. It's nice and hot today, but not like really, really hot. This is my other pomegranate.